Hello again everyone. So you completed the tutorial and Garen Forest on normal and now you're level 5. This means a couple things. Mount Cs is open, the arena is available, and you have your first rival to fight. Oh, and don't forget to check your inbox to redeem the Light Elven Ranger. Once that's done, make sure you have your monsters equipped with the runes you gathered from Garen. After that, you should be more than ready to beat Greedy, one of your soon-to-be many rivals, on auto. Okay, so now you're ready to take on Mount Cs. And since we have a minute, let me introduce you to Lapis, the Water Magic Knight. You'll get her upon clearing the final part of Mount Cs, and once she's awakened, she'll hit 3 times on her first skill, the last hit of which deals damage to all enemies. And she has a 50% chance to decrease their attack bar. Her second skill sends out 4 missiles that seek out enemies with lower HP ratios. They have a 50% chance to break their defense for 2 turns. Finally, her third skill deals damage to all enemies and recovers her HP based on the damage dealt. As a bonus, she'll absorb 25% of their attack bar too. She also has a great leader skill. She'll increase the attack power of all ally monsters by 25%. She's a fantastic monster that can grow alongside you. I hope this helped. Have a great day, everyone.